Today we'll demonstrate how to share a Telegram link. To invite someone to a group chat, open the group, go to its details, tap the pencil icon, go to group type, and copy the invite link to send to anyone. To invite someone to a public or private channel, open the channel, go to its details, and tap the link to copy it. To send someone a link to join Telegram, tap the three lines at the top left, go to Invite Friends, select Share Telegram, and copy the share text. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.